Hey friends, today I'm just come up in my church. See this? Here I wanted to show you here. First time I came in a church exactly. My brother has carried me. My brother and sister in front of me. See this? This is my brother and sister. So I'm just ready to enter and in this church exactly. So I have to be silent in this place. Okay, so see everyone, here everyone is start and they are ready to sing a song. See here, everyone here completely silent. Nobody is speaking right now. She is that girl speaking very nice. Her voice and she told something about a Christmas day. Okay, listen to her.
जो मेन चीज होती है वो क्रिसमस होता है कि हमारे जीवन में मसीह का जन्म हुआ और सबसे वो बड़ी बात होती है। थैंक यू।
Okay, so see here, it's my first time I came in a church, so I felt I have to show you here also. Here guitar or every kind of functions, it happens one by one, like line by line, all the program it happens. It's amazing. You can also see this. I just want to show you here. Everybody, you can see, you also enjoy with me. See here, they are singing very nice. I love to hear this song exactly. And I don't know what's about you hear or not, but at my place I'm enjoying a lot. So I felt okay for a while I have to shoot also. I show you here how this program is going on and how it happens in a church. It's my first time, so I'm too excited to show you here. Here children dancing right now. See this? Here so many program happens line by line. I didn't show you here well, but you can see. I like your song. I am just hearing after some time. I just started thinking that okay, yeah, I have to shoot also. I was quite confused that okay, shall I shoot or not? I was completely confused. But after some time I realized okay, little bit for a while I have to shoot this also. Wow, I love to hear especially this guitar. I love to hear guitar exactly. I love guitar really. Okay, it's really amazing here, especially in church. Now it has finished. I come out from a church because do you know it has completed. I didn't shoot everything very long because all the function happens one by one. So I felt I will show you here, and you can see this. This is a which is I have told you in beginning. I have to show you here in the out place. So in just beside the church here all the decoration like Christmas tree. See. It is out Christmas tree. Do you know inside the church also available that Christmas tree? But I forgot to shoot that. Okay, so now I have reached in Domino's. I felt I have to show you here in this place also. Here a very famous pizza. If you really wanted to eat pizza, so you will definitely come in a Domino's in Gorakhpur. So here you can see all the decoration, the same decoration because of Christmas Day. So everywhere you can see the decoration also. So see here decoration because of Christmas Day. Okay, so finally have reached in a Orion Mall. It's a very famous mall, and if you will enter here, you see the lot of thing for buying as well as you enjoy here in this place. So that's the reason I feel I have to show you this mall also inside this place. So see this, every kind of a thing you can buy as well as you can reach. You can, especially for a Christmas Day, in Christmas Day only, you can see every type of decoration happens, and a lot of people they came here for shooting like clicking pic exactly. So you can see this stars everything in out, and I want to show you here. I felt okay, I can also show you here in this place. So here sanitizer is very compulsory, so hand sanitizer or mask and all everything they are checking first, then after they give us allowed to go inside that place. But yeah, you can see this background, everything, it's completely stars. Actually it's not always it happens, only because of you can see Christmas Day. Okay, see this decoration, everything because of Christmas Day, everything is like this. Okay, so you know normally I don't come, I never come, especially in Christmas Day. It's my first time I came in Christmas Day in this place. So see this, yeah, here how I show, what should I show, like this similar I guess. It's all are everybody clicking pics a lot. See here crowd, a lot crowd I guess. Here a lot of people come in this place exactly. And see here everything checking, everything is going on. What should I have to say? Okay, I will show you one of the very beautiful thing. Wait for a while. Yeah, see, here is if the children they want to come, they can see this, they can sit there, they can also play here, lot of instruments available. Here Santa Claus, Merry Christmas has written. Okay. Here all the decoration. It is the last place I felt I have to show you here. You can see everything. It was first time I came in especially Christmas Day. I didn't come exactly. Wow, here gift available and Christmas tree and everything I never imagined. I felt I have to see here a very beautiful, you know, very far, like a lot of crowds here in this place. But I just somehow I just shooting this video exactly. And yeah, you can see me. See, there are a lot of crowd, lot of girls here clicking pic. Okay, so yeah, if I have come here, so I felt why I'm only show you church here. So I have to show you the mall also. So yeah, here decoration, everything in Gorakhpur especially I come. So I felt I have to show you on 25th December in this Christmas Day. Every decoration, it is happening always, every year it happens. So in this mall also or that church also. So of course, whenever you come in Gorakhpur, you definitely visit that church, especially especially Christmas Day. So I can't shoot much and I have to go, and I also okay, so finally I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you like this video. Stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Okay, Merry Christmas to all of you.